Azzulei TV Studio is your video production tool in the cloud. Let's review its main functions. Live inputs will appear at the bottom. You can also add other inputs from your resource list. Try uploading images and videos. To change the video layout, click on one of the layout templates and then click Inputs for every required tile. When a layout is already established, you can change specific tiles by clicking on a new input, dragging from the list, or swapping over the output video. You can save your current video layout configuration as a scene. Then you can easily switch among multiple saved scenes with a single click. Click to activate the audio, tune the audio modes and levels of every input. The Studio offers you multiple configuration parameters and useful toolboxes to control graphics and text, music and sounds, replays, resources, scoreboard, and live inputs. In future videos, we will explain each of them in more detail. Once you have everything ready, click the Go Live button to start the broadcast. From this moment on, the video will be available to your viewers. Thank you very much for using Azzulei TV.